You have it.
You have not been to you haven't seen my madam. Fine. My website, the other website I have is 40xreturns.com. But even on the student site, you just go, it shows you the crypto course, the link. You click on it, see. You must see. There are two ways that I teach people how to earn. You can do it through crypto, that's fine. Or you can do it through what? Oracle, that's fine as well. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I teach you to do either one or two or both. The way that I did it was I used Oracle to generate money.
Okay.
That I used to what? Invest in crypto.
Okay.
Now, with most people now, they already have jobs. I, at the time, did not have a job. Most people have jobs. You can use that job to invest in a course, this course, right? And then you can do what I did. Watch the videos, do it. You listen. You have to be real with yourself. You have to be honest with yourself. Do you want to do Oracle? Do you want to make crypto? One thing I can guarantee you is this. With crypto, the amount of money you make is unlimited. Unlimited. I am doing it. If I'm not doing it, I don't teach it. With Oracle, this is limited. You make $70 to $80 per hour initially, if you're lucky.
Okay.
But with crypto, listen to me. You may be wondering, okay, maybe this. No. This is the part you are not understanding with crypto. Madam, listen to me. You must understand this. I know stupid boys, very, very stupid boys. Stupid boys. They invested 1,000. They now have $10 million. 648 days later. Madam, do you see this?
Yes.
You see this, right? 648 days, that's like a year and a half, right? Watch this. Madam, this is how you know I'm not lying. Because they went through the same God formula that I put before. Plant, water, breathe. Watch this. Plants, they did. Water, they did. Increase was God. Did they plant? Yes. Did they water? Yes. Did they increase? Yes. 10 million, 648 days. That's your part. Plant, that's your part. They follow the same formula. That's the formula for everything in life. Very simple. Very, very simple. Sorry, was it 1K? It was 10K, I think. Somewhere in there. 10K, they remember 10K, they made what? 10 million. It's 600. Listen, this increase that we are looking for, but it does not have to be long. We're not talking long thing. No. Not long thing. Can you imagine if you have $10 million in 648 days later? Are you kidding me? Problem solved for your life. Which oracle are you going to say you're doing? You have $10 million. Which stupid oracle are you doing? It's over. You just do it for fun. So this goes for you and all you YouTube guys that I've been trying to tell you guys. I've been trying to give you guys a formula. All these things I try to teach you, it leads, one thing will lead to another, will lead to another, will lead to another. It leads to another. There are so many opportunities that are happening right now in crypto. So many. And I'm not talking about stupid Bitcoin. Nonsense. I'm not talking about Bitcoin. Everybody knows about Bitcoin. That Bitcoin is too old, it's too fast. You can't move anymore. I'm talking about some serious things that can give you a 10,000 return. 10,000x return. And we're talking about in like 3 years. Do you know the power of 10,000? Madam?
Yes.
Do you know the power of 10,000 x return? Meaning, whatever you invest, multiply by 10,000. I'm invested in something that has done this in 648 days. Imagine you put $500 here, or you put 5,000 here. How much is that? I don't even know the numbers. The numbers are getting crazy. That's 50 million. It's just numbers, madam. It's just numbers. It's just numbers. People do this all the time. It's okay. It's just numbers. It's just numbers. The problem with all you guys is you guys keep looking right, but you need to open yourself up to left as well.
Mm-hmm.
You guys, all you guys, you keep looking right. You need to open yourself up to left as well. Don't be so, okay, I want to do Oracle, which is beautiful. Great. Oracle, you get a nice salary. Great. But now what are you going to do with the money? I don't know why I've decided to open up a little bit. Maybe I feel led to inspire. I don't know. Madam, I have the other investments that I'm investing in. One, I'm putting 10K in. One, I'm putting another 10K in. Yes. Oh, and one I already invested 35,000 in. But now the question is, how did I get that 35,000 to just invest? Just invest and leave it.
Mm-hmm.
It was through Oracle.
And then when you invest like that, after 3 years, it gives you all the money that you should.
Madam, it was because I had planted and I watered. Are you hearing me?
He said he plant and water.
Planted and watered. See, this one is done. This one I've invested like 5K so far.
Mm-hmm.
This one, 2K. Next month or so, these two will be done. Now, listen to me. Listen. Remember, I don't give the increase. All I can control is what I decide to plant. But here's the thing. You plant in faith, knowing that you do not control the outcome. That's all you got. See, that's why a lot of people get hung up. You cannot control the outcome. But you must plant in faith. Listen to me. Madam, this thing that I just invested in, these two, actually all three, these are very new projects, very new. See, in crypto, you must invest in new things so that you can catch the very bottom, so that you can, I hope you understand. This is projected to do at least a 10,000x. This 1,000x. This 10,000x. Just projection. It's God that will give the increase. We don't know. But based on history, this is how things work. Now, madam, what is $10,000 times 10,000? Tell me right now. No, do the math. Tell me.
10,000 is too much money.
What is 10,000
times
times 10,000? Tell me.
It's 100 million.
Is what?
It's 100
Very
million.
good. Very good.
I never even do the math. It's
100 million. You're
yeah.
exactly right. But double check to make sure it's 100 million. Is it 100 million? Double check. Double check, please.
Let me check.
Please double check. Quickly. How much is it?
Yeah, it's 100 million, like I said.
Very good. 10,000 times this is what? 10 million. And 35,000 times 10 is, and actually, this will increase to 70K. This will increase to 70K. Because of something, I can't explain it, but it's called yield farming, but you won't understand it. So now this is 700 million. Right? You see the numbers, right?
I see the number. Let me take it. It's not sure.
How much is that? 810 million. And we're not talking long, madam. We're talking
million.
We're talking 2 to 3 years. Now hold on. This is how much? 810 million. Now listen to me very carefully. This is the part that you understand. Listen to me. This is separate from what I showed you earlier before. How if things go okay? What was the number? I make 21 million per month. Totally different investment. This is in 2025. 2025 spring.
Yes.
21 million per month. All 4 of these are totally separate investments.
Yeah.
So that means in a year, times 10, that's 210, 210 plus 42, this is 252 million per year. I make in a year. Add this and add that, madam, that is my formula to make 1 billion.
Wow. Hey.
No, now listen to me. Listen to me. Madam, listen to me.
Hey.
I don't say these, listen to me. I do not say these things to brag or anything like that, because like I said, like I always kept saying, what did I say? It is God that gives the increase.
That's true. I agree.
People can say whatever they want to say. It is God that gives the increase. However, I have at least done my part to make it possible. Definite, no doubt about it. Definite. I do and I am doing. Look at it. See, remember I said, look. Remember I said 10K, 70K. See, so far this is 4K. So far this is, I think, 2K. This I don't have to do anything. This will just multiply itself, right? But look, this 4K, this 2K, and that 35K was me planting. Watering is me continuing to plant. Continuing to do it. That's watering. Then I leave this to God. I leave it to God. I leave it to God.
Yes. So.
This is my plan to make $1 billion over the next 2 to 3 years. This is my plan. What's your plan? Now, why am I showing you this? Why am I showing you this? I am showing you this because all this started because I chose to do my Oracle projects. All this started because of my Oracle projects.
Okay.
One thing leads to another. But now, the one thing I always tell my students, those who are interested is this. You may want to really look at Oracle. Look at crypto. You may really, because time is not waiting for anybody. Time, you see this 640 days, 48 days, it did not wait for anybody. It does not wait. You either invest or you don't. It's your business. What will happen is going to happen. Whether you are on the train or not, that's your business. Don't now be coming a year from now. You know, after this thing has done, let's say 500x out of the 1,000. I say, okay, now you want to invest. You've lost 500x. Do you know what 500x is? You invest 10,000 times 500. Do the math. How much is 10,000 times 500? Please tell me.
You said 10,000 times what? 500?
How much is that, please? 10,000 times 500. How much is that?
Okay. I'm 500. Just 500.
Yeah.
It's just it's 5,000 million.
It's how much?
5,000.
5,000.
5,100.
10,000 times 500 is what? Madam, just do it on your calculator.
10,000. 10,000. 500. Yeah. Yeah, it's just 5,000, madam.
Are you kidding me?
5,000 million.
What?
5,000. Hoppa. You got the 5,000.
Madam, it is $5 million.
Hold on.
10,000.
15. Hold on. 500. 5,000.
Madam, it's simple. 10,000 times 10 is what? 10,000 times 10 is what?
100.
100 times 10 is what? 100,000 times 10 is what?
100,000 times 10 is 200.
What did you say?
You said 100 times 10,000, right?
100,000 times 10 is what?
It's 200. It's multiplied. Hold on.
100 times 10 is what? Is a million.
Times 10,000 or 10.
Madam,
you said 10,000 or 10.
100,000 times 10 is a million, right?
No, hold on.
Madam,
I'm asking you that 10,000 or 10. You want 10 or 10,000?
Madam, listen. 100,000
just
times 10 is a million, right? It is.
Mm-hmm.
Just agree with me that it is.
It's 1 million, yes. 100
1 million times 5 is what?
1 million times 5
is what?
5 million.
Exactly. Are you telling me that 5 million won't change your situation?